The sun sets over the quaint village of Futa Jallon. The air is filled with the aroma of exotic flowers wafting from Musa's lavish home. A group of villagers gathers, whispering and pointing at Musa's home, where they believe the mysterious scent comes out from every evening.
Have you smelled that? Every evening, the air is filled with something strange.
I had it suddenly got witch overnight. We should be very careful.
What if it's diabolic? The king must know this.
Musa is in his garden, tending to a vibrant patch of flowers. What a feeling of companionship and satisfaction as he gazes at the unusual flower with glowing petals, the moonlit orchid.
You bring joy to my heart. I wish the villagers could see your beauty.
Khalid, the village elder, tries to calm the villagers who are already in a frenzy about Musa. He is indeed an honorable man.
Listen, before we jump into conclusions, we should seek the truth. Let's not judge our brother without understanding him.
But Khalid, how can we ignore the signs? The smell is haunting.
At the king's palace, King Jamal sits on his throne, frustration evident on his face. The news of the mysterious evening scent has already been brought to his table. Musa stands before him, looking confused, but calm.
Musa, the villagers speak of your dark magic. I demand to know the source of your wealth.
But your majesty, I am but a humble gardener. The flowers are my companions. They bloom with love and not malice.
As the sun departed the next evening, the villagers, led by Amina and Khalid, gather outside Musa's home, whispering nervously. Khalid steps forward, calling out Musa's name.
Musa, show us the truth. Show us the truth.
Musa opens his door, revealing to his people that the assumption they are making about a dark power is actually a beautiful moonlit orchids. One of the beauties and gifts of nature to mankind. The villagers gasp, mesmerized by their beauty and fragrance, and just like an eye-opener, they begin to pull off the clothes of ignorance.
These flowers were a gift from my travels. They blossom at night. Fill the air with their scents. There is no magic here, only nature.
Expressions of disbelief turn to awe. Amina steps forward, her demeanor softening. She is full of remorse.
I was so wrong to assume. You know, most times we let our fears guide our ways.
The villagers gather to celebrate Musa's flowers. Laughter and music fill the air. Khalid raises a toast.
Remember, it's always easy to judge what we don't understand. Let's embrace the beauty of our differences.
We often harbor judgments shaped by fear and misunderstanding. Like the villagers of Futa Jallon, we can be quick to paint others with a brush of suspicion, blinded by the shadows of our imagination. But as the moonlit orchids revealed their beauty, so too do the souls around us possess hidden depths waiting to be discovered. Let us remember, dear listeners, that every story has layers, each person a universe of experiences and intentions. In a world that often rushes to conclusions, may we choose patience and compassion. For it is understanding that nurtures connection and kindness that illuminates the path to harmony. As we continue our journey, let us bloom like the flowers in Musa's garden, embracing the vibrant differences that make us whole. In this tapestry of life, Let us weave threads of acceptance, allowing love to flourish where judgment once stood. For in the end, it is not the whispers of fear that define us, but the echoes of understanding that guide us toward a brighter tomorrow.